So today we're gonna source somewhere a little bit different. Today we're going to try out the Habitat for Humanity Restore. This is just another place that you can go to source for inventory or for your home if you're wanting to thrift. That's not Goodwill. So this is always a good choice. They have housewares and everything in between. Just about anything that you could need for your house. Let's go ahead and head on in today. Oh, that's a good deal. Good deal. They had a lot of sheets here, just about any size that you could need. They had bed rails and bed frames, and I really liked this headboard. It had bling and it was black. It was just super cool and an excellent price. Had to run back here and get a buggy. I didn't have one at first. Here's their Facebook and their Instagram if you want to go follow them. I loved this piece, but I had never seen these markings before, so I left it. I probably should have picked it up. I found this heavy duty clothing rack. I'm trying to get rid of the one that I have, so I picked this up for $15. As you're gonna see, this store has tons of lighting and lamps and just anything that you could think of. Ceiling fans, all kinds of different light fixtures. Over here they have sinks, even with some of them have the tops, a lot of vanities. Over here they had stacks of shop lighting, and you can see ahead over there, there were long countertops for bathroom sinks, and they have doors upon doors upon doors, interior and exterior. side as well. Looks like. Y'all, check out this sink that's coming up. Look at that pink sink. This is just an overview of the store so that you can see how large it is and how much furniture and stuff they actually carry. There's quite a bit in here. Lots of rugs as well. End tables, couches, chairs. And this was my small buggy of finds that I'm taking today. Alrighty, y'all, so I am back at the house with the goodies that I got from the Habitat for Humanity. We'll go through all these pieces together. I'll let you know what I'm keeping for myself and what I am going to try to resell. They had a lot of items there. I showed you throughout the video too, but this is what I actually picked up. So here's my receipt. I paid $31.30 for everything, and that was including tax. These two right here, these two items right here, please don't look at my nails. These two items right here are these little, cute little wicker baskets that have just a little hook and loop. But I bought these for the house. I thought they'd be super cute to put on end tables or whatever. Maybe put remotes, something like that in there. But for $1 a piece, I couldn't pass them up. I needed some more work gloves outside, so I grabbed these for $1.50. These plates are absolutely adorable with the rooster on there. I had to pick these up. It says $2 a plate, but after going through all of my receipts, I think she only charged me $1 a plate. I'm not positive, but I think that's what she did. Next, these are mugs right here. Sandy Beach Island. They are Corel, and when I looked them up, nobody had any mugs, but they did have like some plates for sale and some of the plates that had sold on eBay. So this looked like maybe they were kind of popular and harder to find. I paid $1 a piece for the mugs, and I will sell them as a pair. When I got home, I noticed, it's not on this one, I noticed that there was a small chip in the bottom, but I would have picked it up anyway because I know as a buyer, I would rather have a pair than just one, even if it had a small chip in the bottom. So that's why I picked those up. Next, I got these makers. They're Maker's Mark 46, and they were only $1/4 a piece. It says, "We make our bourbon carefully. Please enjoy it that way." So I got these. Hopefully, I might be able to sell them if my husband doesn't decide to keep them, and he might. There was a lot of Maker's 46 that were sold and up for sale, but none that actually had this exact pattern on it. So that's good. And then I bought this also for my house. It's just a metal cross with metal flowers on it, but it was $1 and I thought it was super cute. So I'll put that somewhere in my house. And then these are actually Official Yeti 20-ounce lid covers. I bought 2 boxes of them as well. There is 6 per box. I believe I paid $1 a box, or they were $1/4 a piece. So I'm gonna sell, obviously I got 2. I'm gonna sell a pair of them together, and then I'm gonna sell these as 6-packs. They had a bunch of these. Do you think I should go back and get all of them, or I don't know? I think I'm just gonna put these up real fast and see if there's any interest in them. But the 6-pack again was only $1, and let's weigh it real quick. Let's see how much a 6-pack weighs. 6-pack of them only weighs 14 ounces, so at max it's gonna cost me like $5.60, $5.75 to ship if I offered free shipping. and they're already packed. So, I mean, I don't even have to pack them or anything. And they had a ton of these. Do you think I should go back and get them? They're all 20-ounce lids. They do not have, you know, like the cover for like the straw or anything like that. So it's not a complete seal, but I mean, it is official Yeti. So what do you think? Help me out here. I have no problem going back and buying every single box that they have. And there were a lot, you can see in the video. So I don't know, what do you think? Let me know, y'all. And I will go back. But I'm going to put these up real fast on eBay. And I'll probably put them on Poshmark too, to be honest. And see if, I don't know, see if I get any interest in them or whatever. But I will offer free shipping on them more than likely, just because, like I said, they're still going to go first class. No big deal. So let me know what you think. Do you guys have like a Habitat for Humanity, you know, where you live? And if you do, you should go check it out, because they really do have a ton of cool stuff there. And, you know, all of it's donated to them. They have household, they have everything. So if you find any, then you should definitely check them out. Goodwill is not the only place to source. There are many, many places out there. You just have to broaden your scope. So give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want to see more videos like this and go out and thrift with me, you know, even if they're these little shorty videos, let me know. And I can do that. I'm always popping in somewhere and grabbing something. So hope you all have a great week, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.